Spice up your e-learning with the power of Gen AI and Adobe Creative Cloud with me, Mark I. First up, Adobe Firefly will generate stunning visuals in seconds. Then, moving into Adobe Express, where I'll show you how to find free, multiple-page, engaging presentations to use to get up and running with your e-learning. And spice things up with talking characters.
Rules are very important in the class.
Leverage ChatGPT for dynamic content. Hi Chat, can you show me some inspirational infographic template ideas? Next, we're over to Adobe Stock for free assets. Seamlessly saved to Creative Cloud Libraries to keep your content organized and easily accessible throughout all Adobe Creative Cloud apps. From there, we jump into Adobe Photoshop, where I'll show you how to import multiple images into layers with just a few clicks. And we'll export them all in seconds using image assets. Boom! And we'll expand images using generative expand. Say what? Then we spice things up in Adobe Illustrator. I'll show you how to grab buttons, arrows, and clip art from libraries. And we'll recolor images using generative shape fill. You can also create illustrations, clip art, and icons from scratch using Generate Vectors. Then we head over to Adobe Premiere, where I'll show you how to create instant stylized captions. And we wrap things up in Adobe Character Animator, where I'll show you how to create your own custom characters using the Puppet Maker. Spice up your content with a little pow! Let's go!